If you are a college student, Google is literally giving a full year of its AI Pro plan for free. And this isn't just a basic Gemini. You will get a higher AI limits, 5 TB of storage, advanced AI features, and some seriously useful study tools. But there's one important thing you need to know before trying to claim it. Hey everyone, welcome back. Google currently has a free AI 1-year Google AI Pro student offer for eligible students, and in this video I'll show you what you get, who can claim it, how to sign up, and most important, how Google verify that you are actually a student. So let's start with what exactly included. First, you will get 4x higher users limit in Gemini, so you can use Gemini more extensively compared with the standard experience. You will also get 5 TB of storage. Then there is a Gemini Omni along with other advanced Gemini features, and for students probably the most interesting part is the new student hub and study tools. You can upload your courses materials and create personalized study notebooks, study guides, quizzes, and learning plan. You can even use Gemini Live to have a real time conversation when you are stuck on a difficult concept. Google also include tools for image generation, video generation, deep research, and many more, trending nowadays. Now here's the important part. According to Google current official student page, as you can see over here, this particular free offer is available for eligible US and 140 plus countries, as you can see in the post. And yes, India is included as well. For Indian student, you will be getting AI Plus, and for US you will be getting AI Pro. So first, go to the Google AI student offer page, sign in. You can sign in with your Google account and start with the student offer page. Click over here, claim student plan at no cost. Then over here you have to click on get student offer. Then you will be taken to the page. Then you will be taken through the eligibility verification process, and this is where you might see SheerID, as you can see over here. So how does this verification actually works? So SheerID handles you will generally provide basic information about yourself and your school. SheerID can then check that information data sources to determine whether you are currently eligible or not. If it can verify you instantly, you are done. But if it cannot verify you automatically, you may be asked to upload college ID card, and make sure that the information you enter matches the information on your document. Okay, so if you're eligible college student, this could be a literally useful opportunity. I put the official Google link in the description of this video. If this video helps you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with your friends. And if you face any issue, feel free to comment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.